rapid access to comprehensive oncology data and survival analysis. This is the OncoToolkit.
Today, I saw a patient recently diagnosed with invasive breast cancer. Her pathology report showed estrogen receptor staining, and she wanted to know whether her tumour should be considered hormone receptor-positive and whether endocrine therapy would be appropriate. Rather than making assumptions, let's take a closer look. Our patient is a 52-year-old woman who recently underwent a core needle biopsy for a suspicious breast mass. Histopathology confirmed invasive breast carcinoma. Immunohistochemistry demonstrated that approximately 50% of the tumour cells stained positive for estrogen receptor, with strong staining intensity. Let's assess this case using the Allred Score calculator in the OncoToolkit app. First, we'll select the proportion score. Approximately 50% of the tumour cells are positive, so we'll choose the 34% to 66% category, which corresponds to a proportion score of 4. Next, we'll select the intensity score. The staining intensity is strong, so we'll choose an intensity score of 3. Now let's calculate the result. The patient receives a total Allred score of 7 out of 8. A score of 3 or above is considered hormone receptor positive, so this tumour is classified as estrogen receptor positive. This result supports the consideration of endocrine therapy alongside the patient's complete pathology, tumour stage, and overall treatment plan. The clinical summary provides a concise overview of the assessment. If you'd like to understand how the score was generated, simply open the Calculator Logic section. Here you can see how the Allred score combines the proportion score and the intensity score to produce a total score ranging from 0 to 8. To document the assessment, click Copy to copy the result as plain text. You can also enter the patient's name and click Save Results to save this assessment. Previously saved assessments can be viewed anytime from the Saved Results panel on the right-hand side. Next, let's scroll down to the reference data. Here you'll find the interpretation of each score range and supporting clinical information. Below that, the clinical workflow section explains when the Allred score should be used and how it can support treatment planning. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more oncology decision support videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next clinical case.